Welcome to Press Play English. Today we're going to look at prepositional verbs and how to use them correctly. So, what are prepositional verbs? Well, they are a verb plus preposition that forms a fixed meaning, unlike phrasal verbs, which creates a new meaning. So, a lot of my students get this incorrect. For example, I listen music, or she apologized her mistakes. So, the correct way to use the prepositions: I listened to music, she apologized for her mistakes. So we're going to categorize them. First category, relationships and people. Depend on, look after, apologize for, and care about. So you can always depend on me. She looks after her younger brother. He apologized for his mistakes. She really cares about animals. Prepositional verbs for communication. Listen to, I love listening to music. Talk about, let's talk about your new project. Speak to or with, I spoke to my teacher about my grades, so they argued with each other about politics. Prepositional verbs for feelings and actions. Believe in, I believe in hard work. Worry about, she worries about her exams. Suffer from, he suffers from a headache. And laugh at, they laughed at my jokes. Prepositional verbs for movement and placement. Wait for, belong to, think about, and apply for. I am waiting for my friend. This book belongs to me. I am thinking about my future, and she applied for a job yesterday. Quiz time.